Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be seeing how to unlock the borrow feature on Cash App. So if you're looking to get a quick loan from Cash App, this video is actually for you. So let's end this tutorial. Okay, so the Cash App borrow feature is a feature that Cash App features to let users or eligible users get a short-term loan from the platform. Okay, so if you're eligible to get this short-term loan, you'll be able to find this borrow tab right in your Cash App account. But how do you get eligible for this borrow feature? Okay, so there are three things that you need to get ready before you can even be featured for the Cash App borrow. Okay, so the first thing that you want to make sure that you are eligible for, you want to make sure that you are located in an eligible state. So Cash App borrow is not available in all states as for the moment, and if you are located in a state that authorizes digital payment apps like Cash App to offer loan, to issue loan to customers, then you'll be able to. They have already gotten an eligibility requirement right in your Cash App account. Okay, so you can find the link to the Cash App eligible state in the video description. Okay, so the second factor that can get you eligible for the Cash App borrow feature is your account activity. Okay, this is even one of the most crucial activities that will get you, the most crucial factors that will get you eligible for this feature. So if you carry out frequent transactions to Cash App, or if you're a seasoned Cash App user, there's no doubt that you'll be able to find this borrow feature from your Cash App account. And also you need to make sure that you have made eligible direct deposits within the last 30 or a couple of days. So you need to make sure that you have set up direct deposits for your Cash App account and that you use it on a frequent basis, even if it is not monthly. Let's be even once a while, and make sure you have set this direct deposit on, because it is an eligibility requirement. And also you will need to make sure that you have the cash card, because the cash card is also an eligibility feature to get this Cash App borrow feature. And before you get this Cash App, you need to make sure that you verify your account, which brings us to the third eligibility requirement to get the borrow feature on Cash App. Okay, so you need to make sure that your account has been verified and approved by Cash App before you can be able to get a loan from this platform. And fourth but not least is your credit worthiness. So you need to make sure that your account is in good standing, that it does not have any negative balances. Even the bank account linked to Cash App does not have any negative balances, in order for you to get eligible for this Cash App borrow feature. Okay, so once you're sure that you meet the mentioned requirements, you want to go to this banking tab to make sure that, to check if you're eligible for Cash App borrow. You want to go to the banking tab just below there, and if you are eligible, you see more ways to add money. You're going to see borrow listed here among these features. Okay, so you cannot see this on this account because it's a demo account, an account that is mainly for tutorial purposes, so it has not been verified now eligible for this feature. So if you follow these eligibility requirements, you're going to make sure you're going to, without doubt, get the borrow feature listed right here. So what you need to make sure that you capture is that you need to make sure you are located in an eligible state. Okay, a state that allows digital payment services like Cash App to offer short-term loans to users. And also the other step is that you need to make sure that your account is in good standing, it doesn't have any negative balances, and that you are clear from any negative transaction. Also, you need to make sure that your account is very active in terms of transactions, that you are a frequent Cash App user. Of course, you need to make sure that you're a frequent Cash App user, and also have set up direct deposit. So your Cash App account must be set up for direct deposit in order for you to get this borrow feature. Okay guys, that's how you get to unlock the borrow feature on Cash App. If you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next one.